Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the 2 words for today. Number 1 is what you are learning now. Correct. Number 2, the cat will. Correct. You're doing really well. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. We learn English at school every day. We learn English at school every day. English. English is a language beginning with ABC. Now we can make a flashcard for English. Because it is a language, we always use capital E. Please make a card like this. Write English up here in the top left corner. ENGLISH. Down here, N1. This means noun, level 1. And over here the number 54 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. English. English. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer's dog follows her every day. Jennifer's dog follows her every day. Jennifer's dog follows her every day. This means the dog walks in the same direction that Jennifer walked. Now we can make a flashcard for to follow somebody or something. Please make a card like this. The basic form is to follow somebody or something. FOLLOW. Down here, V1. This means verb, level 1. Over here, the number 26 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Fa. Low. Follow. Game over. You did very well today. What are you learning now? I am learning English. Perfect. What will the cat do? It will follow me. That's right. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, a comment. Correct. That's something somebody says or writes. Number 2, a big animal. Elephant. Correct. In India and Africa. Number 3, can you say it? To distribute. That's when you give one to many people. One thing to many people. Today is Sunday, September 7th. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course designed for the internet. It is rotating. You can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.